Hello. Today I will be talking about the topic of job satisfaction. Are you happy at your job? Do you enjoy going to work in the morning? If you could change one thing about your job, what would it be? These are the questions that I thought about when creating my survey on job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is a topic that everyone can relate to more than ever. The employee, more so than the employer, can dictate the terms of employment and be more discerning about opportunities. Overall, the pay scale for many careers has increased across the board. Prior to conducting my survey, I researched 3 articles on the topic of job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is important because it can affect an employee's motivation to work. Aspects that can relate to job satisfaction can include personal factors, factors from the job itself, and factors that can be controlled by the job, which can include salary and a person's perceptions about their work. In my research, I answered the question of job satisfaction by designing an 8-item survey. In the survey, I asked questions related to job satisfaction, including questions about salary, benefits, working conditions, personal relationships, and job advancement. In the first question, most participants stated that their salary and their professional relationships most influenced their job satisfaction. Based on the first question, I focused my data analysis on the participants' responses to their salary and their personal relationships. Despite most of the participants stating that their salary was important in their job satisfaction, 80% responded that they were either somewhat satisfied or very satisfied with their salaries. The results from the question related to professional relationships produced different results. Only 50% of participants stated that they felt somewhat connected to their coworkers, while the other 50% responded either neutral or very disconnected. Overall, most of the people that I surveyed responded that they were satisfied with their jobs. They stated that their job satisfaction was mostly influenced by their salaries and their professional relationships. Most of the participants responded that they were satisfied with their salaries, but many participants stated that they were not as satisfied with the professional relationships. This data implies that we need a higher focus on interpersonal relationships within the workplace in order to increase our job satisfaction. Thank you.